as an associate talent at Zappyhire. This coming 20th May, all proud HRs will be celebrating HR Day. So I'm wishing all the HRs a great HR day ahead for them. And for me, HR Day is the day where all HR related activities, what they contribute for the organization and for the employees, are being recognized. So this professional is something where we get a role. It's very people centric role. So we are providing equal contribution for the organization growth and also for the employee growth. So we are able to understand what and when it is required and what kind of strategic decisions or activities should be implemented for that. And it's a very important field or department that every organization should have so that they can have a very active, productive, effective organization culture within them. And how I get into this field, um, so I was very fortunate enough to interact with the great HRs in this domain. So came to know more about this field and what are the kind of activities it's involved. So it really inspired me because at the end of the day, I'm contributing both for the organization as for the employees' growth, and it's a very people-centric role. I'm able to interact with them, and it also improves me um, as a professional. So, thank you.